Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to change the background color on your Canva design. I have this template on my Canva design and this has a really bright red background and I'm going to turn that red into black. So here's how you can change the background color. First, you have to click on the background. This is very important. And when you click that, you will usually see this purple border on the canvas. And that means the background is being selected. But in case you have a lot of elements and the background might be overlapped by other elements, then you can go to position and then you can navigate to layers and make sure to click the background. So this is usually located at the very bottom of layers on your document. And after that, you can click on this background color menu and you can change the color to whatever color that you find the best for the design. So I switched that to black and this is the result. But what if you want to add a different background color? So what if you want to get multiple background colors? Well, if gradient is your thing, then you could use gradient as well. Now gradient is essentially containing multiple different colors if you want. But if you want to create a clear separation between one background over another, for example, the left side could be black and the right side could be red, then you need to use a different method. I'm going to visit elements and I'm going to visit shapes and I'm going to add this square shape into my design. Now let's change the color to red and I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make it overlapping the entire half of my design. And there you go. Now I'm going to right click on it, layer, send to backward. I'm going to do it again. Oh, it's the maximum. Okay, so now I have two different background colors on my design, which I think giving it a more unique look. So anyway, that's exactly how you can change the background color on Canva. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel and I will see you on the next video.